Imagine waking up to a world where the most constant force in the universe simply stops, the day the sun goes silent. It would take exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds for us to notice, and once the light is gone, everything changes. What follows isn't just a cold night, it's the beginning of a cosmic transformation that has been written in the stars for 4 billion years. Before we dive into the science of the sun's ultimate fate, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to join us on this journey through the cosmos. To understand the silence, we first have to understand the roar. Every second, our sun fuses 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium. This is nuclear fusion. It's a delicate balance between gravity trying to crush the sun and nuclear fire pushing back. Right now, the sun is in its prime, the main sequence, but the fuel isn't infinite. Eventually, the core runs dry. Did you know the sun is already getting brighter? In just 1 billion years, it will be 10% more luminous than it is today. That 10% is enough to trigger a runaway greenhouse effect. Our oceans will boil away, turning Earth into a scorched, sterile desert. By 5 billion years from now, the hydrogen is gone. The sun expands, transforming into a red giant, a monster that will engulf Mercury and Venus. But as Earth burns, new worlds might wake up. The habitable zone shifts outward, potentially melting the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Inside the core, a new fire ignites, helium fusion. This helium flash is a violent attempt to stay alive, but it's the beginning of the end. The sun will shed its outer layers, creating a planetary nebula, a beautiful cosmic tombstone that will drift into the dark. What's left is a white dwarf, a stellar remnant the size of Earth, but so dense that a teaspoon of its material would weigh as much as an elephant. It will spend trillions of years slowly cooling, eventually becoming a black dwarf, a cold, dark cinder in an old universe. This is the life cycle of every star like ours, a billion-year story of light, struggle, and eventual silence. Will humanity be there to see it? Perhaps we will have moved on, carrying the fire of our sun to the next corner of the galaxy. The sun's silence isn't an ending, it's a transition, a reminder that we are part of a grand celestial cycle. Thank you for watching. If this journey blew your mind, hit that like button and share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the universe. See you in the next one.